So this cutter was a little bigger than the last one, right?
Yes, the next size up.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna stick that there. That's kind of huge, but let me see. I don't know, I kind of like it though. I think I might like that. I'm gonna leave it. And you could texture that too. I just left it plain, but we could add, let's add some texture to it just to be different. I'm gonna, let's see, move it back here to the center so you can see. So I'm just gonna roll over it with this screw and then roll over it the other way so that I have kind of like a hatch mark. And then I'm gonna punch it out again because
It increased a little.
yeah. You don't have to do this. I just like there to be a little something extra on the under the eye. And I want the other eye to peek out over the top of his head, so I'm going to cut out another circle out of the orange. Oops, wrong size. Okay. Okay, so now to do the eye, I want each eye to have kind of like a concentric circles running through it. So if you take the circle cutters in all of the lower sizes and just one at a time, just go. Just try to center them as well as you can.
So that's very light. You're really not cutting that.
No,
right?
no, you don't want, in fact, you definitely don't want to cut them because you're going to have to kind of bend this over the eye. This is just, they always have those like googly eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Scientific term. Okay. How are we doing for time? Are we doing okay?
We have 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, we're not doing fine.
We're always good on time. So why you're making 2 of them? I didn't get that.
Okay, well, I'm making 2 of them just because it's easier for me to make 2, but this one's going to get cut into a sliver and you're only going to see a tiny little bit of it. But to me, it's just easier to, rather than trying to make it small. Okay, and then the last one, when you get to the center of the eye, you go ahead and punch out the hole.